Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the Google TV for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. This step often frees stuck services. Once you plug it back and reach the home screen, confirm you're signed into the same Google account used with YouTube. Make sure a phone or computer is nearby because you'll use it to push or reinstall the app from the Play Store. This prevents relying on the slow on-TV interface and speeds the process. You now force stop YouTube and clear cache plus data in settings to remove corrupted temp files. This resolves many playback and sign-in loops. If issues persist, uninstall updates or the app itself, then reboot the Google TV to ensure a clean state. Next, use the Play Store on your phone or PC to install the latest YouTube build remotely. Doing this guarantees the freshest signed APK and avoids partial update problems that the TV interface sometimes delivers. Finally, open YouTube, sign into your account, and test video playback plus casting from your phone to confirm end-to-end functionality. Make sure the TV is on the best network band, switch between 2, 4 and 5 GHz and aim for 5+ Mbps for HD, restart your router if needed. If problems persist after reinstall and network checks, perform a Google TV factory reset as a last resort. If reset fails, note one troubleshooting tip: log error codes or screenshots to speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.